Good measure. What did you do? That little kid, look at his face. What did he say? He's a rich bitch.
Oh! Yo! Rich bitch. Rich bitch.
He's young though. But you were shouting at him. He was going from vernacular. He didn't even react. He just did like. Yeah. And he's like praying. Yeah, that's what the gay people think. Yeah, that was.
It's a so you.
And he was like, what did he do? Seriously, he was calling me. I heard her talking to the boy.
He has a boyfriend?
They were against me. They were talking about how gay people are not allowed. And I was trying to explain to them, but they were like, oh, we don't care. They're so ignorant. The kid said one thing, yeah, and just started screaming, going out of bush, and I was like, whoa. He was like, I'm against gay relationships. Sorry, I don't like it. Something like that. He's entitled to his opinion. He's just screaming like, oh, I hate racist cunts like you. I mean, homophobic cunts like you. Blah, 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 blah. Just saying all this shit. The kid's just there. He's in year 7.
He can't be touched.
Look, I'm not filming you, mate. So I know. Why can't we now?
I don't know. I just saw it because he turned around before he turned. You already know what's up. Oh, shit, man.
But I think it's to the face. Don't touch me, yeah? Alright, sit down. Bare black guys walking down the street. All these monkeys think they. Andrew, mate, Andrew. I'm Andrew. Don't you know?
One day your battery will fill up.
Fill up, yeah.
How many gigs is that?
64.
Yeah, one day every single gigabyte is lost.
Oh, I back it up. I back it up.
Say hi to my haters, man.
Hi.
Haters are my motivators. Hey, my haters are my motivators, man. Hey, look at me. Hey, my haters are my motivators, man.
Yeah, man.
Y'all keep me going, man.
Yeah, the Spotlight.
So shout out to you.
AKA Spotlight. AKA Rocky. Don't know, I look like a lion.
AKA Angry Bird.
AKA Angry Bird.
Me too, man. I look pain. Hey.
I look like a lighty. Can you imagine? Prefect tie. Chapel 2008 to 2013. Obviously,
13, nigga.
Don't know. We're still not finishing school yet.
Hey, shout out to my haters.
Shout out to my homie, Skepta, Slick Boo. Shout out to my homie, Skinny, and my dog, Daniel, a dog in Monkey.
Hey, that's not funny. It's not there anymore. That's what I'm thinking.
No. It was
No, wait, it wasn't. Oh, you know those West Ham freaking man standing thingy? It was them.
Hey, you look, I was revising Women in Black yesterday in the night, yeah. It's the night time. I got scared.
Why did you at night time?
Watch it.
I got scared.
Watch it 12 o'clock in an aeroplane.
I don't John hand things to record it.
No. If you're watching Women in Black and she's appearing, I was looking outside every time. It's scary.
Hey, who's calling my dick? Hey, bloody. Can you call me today, please?
Oh yeah, Daniel owns you money. Daniel owns you money.
Daniel, come on, say my £1. Just gotta call him my £1.
Squares on you money. Did he pay you back?
Why don't you want to pay back?
Why are you free?
McDonald's.
Oh yeah, I'm not filming you. I'm filming this side. Look.
I bought like £10 worth of food.
After exams, yeah, man's gonna buy pizza for all of us, and then not buy pork for Jabril and Dudo, because I had the separate one.
Yo, my nigga.
Say thank you.
Merci beaucoup.
Why am I dark now?
Have you got any more? Have you got any more of them things?
What things?
Have you got them things that you can buy them at McDonald's for £2?
I want to go one for myself.
But you ain't got no money.
Why am I buying?
Please, don't give me the ticket to me. Just get the ticket.
See you later, guys. Bye.
Alright, bye.
Peace.
Don't eat fried rice.
Sorry, Daniel. You're right there, mate.
I'm sorry, I don't know if it's calc or not. I don't know. I can't dance, please. Please don't scratch my head. My head's paining me, please. I can't do it.
Oh, that's vandalizing.
Hey, say sorry to the Pope.